Good design for me is the perfect balance between making things beautiful, functional, and personal. I'm Bennett of Bennett Leifer Interiors, and welcome to my Upper West Side project. When we started this project, the apartment was a white box, and my client gave me carte blanche, which is anyone's dream in this profession. Each room had to serve many functions and feel personalized at the same time. I did that with a thoughtful furniture plan and then added colors, textures, and various lighting elements. And you get a sense of that the minute you walk through the door. The goal of the foyer was to offer a sense of calm when you enter the apartment and not compete with the beautiful views beyond. I started by being subtle. The colors in here are all neutral and the wall texture is very understated. But to add a little interest, I used sculptural light forms and added colorful artwork. But as I mentioned, every room has to serve a function. The bench I'm sitting on is beautiful, but also has a well-integrated shelf to put your shoes on. But in addition to welcoming you, any great foyer has to set the tone for the rest of the apartment and relate to the rooms beyond. In the main living space, we wanted to continue the neutral feeling from the foyer and add a pop of color, in this case, green. Once I sorted out the color scheme, I had to get to the function of the space. I did that by dividing it into two areas, the living and the dining. I designed this area to be both perfect for entertaining and to watch television. The customized daybed has no back, so it doesn't obscure the view when watching TV, but allows a place to sit when having people over. And these swivel chairs serve both as a place to sit comfortably, but also to privately enjoy the view by turning towards the window. On the ceiling, we applied a high-gloss neutral lacquer to accentuate the view and the natural light. And to ground the space, I used an understated carpet. I wanted the dining area to feel separate from the living area, but at the same time connected. So I used the same lighting fixture, but in different configurations. For the dining room table, I picked this beautiful marble round table, which has an integrated Lazy Susan for easy entertaining. An incredible view can be both a blessing and a curse, because you have to pick really special pieces for your art and mirrors. This mirror brings in our pop of color, green, with cut glass accents that feel artful on their own. And to finish the space off, I use these sheer drapes, which serve a dual function. They block light, but they also help warm up the space. This space is truly a multi-purpose room. It serves as a study, a small TV room, and a guest room. Designing a multi-purpose room is just like a puzzle. You have to figure out how all the pieces fit together. One big piece of the puzzle is this sofa. I needed it to be comfortable for watching TV, but also conceal a bed, all while being stylish. I gave this room its own identity by really leaning into the accent color of green. Here, you're really enveloped by it. When choosing light fixtures for this room, we wanted to stay with the theme of keeping them sculptural, and these are some of my favorite sconces in the apartment. I just love the textured glass. Similarly to the foyer, the primary bedroom is supposed to be calming and peaceful. In fact, the inspiration for the bedroom was the clouds. You'll notice silvery gray tones in the bedding, the walls, even the wood nightstands. The accent color in this room pulls from its original inspiration. We went with dark blue tones in honor of the sky. Each piece in this room is a standout, but they really come together beautifully in a seamless way. This apartment is all about beauty, versatility, and personalization. I achieved that with neutral and subtle textures and colors, unique furnishings, and flexible furniture layouts. Thanks for visiting. See you on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.